Friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Paperguide AI search. Once you're here within Paperguide AI, if you look at the top here, if you look in the center of the screen, you have four options. One of them is AI search. You can utilize this as your own ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, or even DeepSeek. Go ahead and simply write whatever you want, and it's going to go ahead and make the research for you. So let's say I want to ask it, what is DeepSeek? And I go ahead and hit search here. It's going to go ahead and search the web for what is DeepSeek. And the really cool thing, as you can see, it is scanning through papers, analyzing what I've asked it, and it's going to go ahead and make that research and present it to me in full details. And as you can see, it gives me the overview of DeepSeek, the functionality and approach, the technical components, the implications, and it gives me all the references. And as you can see, there are more than one references, and I can chat with those references, cite them, and even check the references themselves, and even add more references. Here you can see as well that it gives PDF that you can click on those PDF, and it will take you over to that specific PDF where it actually find the information about that. How cool is that, guys? Now, if you scroll back up here as well, look at this cool thing. You can share the result where that it found it from. And on top of that, you can change the language. So let's say I'm not so good at English, but I'm good at Spanish. I can simply go ahead and click Spanish, and it's going to convert this, translate this into Spanish for me. How cool is that? And as you can see, it has the translation for me in Spanish. Very easy and very simple, guys.